So in today's class, we will be starting off with the topic structure of Earth. Okay. So they basically there are three main layers of the Earth, right? The outermost outer layer is the crust, and the inner layer, inner part of the Earth is core, and the middle layer is considered as mantle. Okay. So let me share one picture. Okay. The structure of Earth. This is our today's topic. I think this is going to be lecture number of 7, I think, right? Okay, of this chapter, Earth physics. So structure, structure of Earth. So in this, we will be discussing that what are the metals that are present. Okay. अच्छा, ठीक है. So now you can observe, you can see that there are three layers. Okay. The outer layer is the crust. The most inner layer is the core, right? And the middle part, the middle layer is mantle, right? So the crust is the outermost solid layer, right? The the crust is the outer outermost solid layer, right? And while the mantle is a semi-solid, the mantle is semi-solid, flowing layer beneath. The core, the core is the Earth's center with a liquid outer core and a solid inner core, right? Now let's talk about the detail of crust. Uh, the outermost layer, relatively thin, right? And rocky. That includes both the continental crust, that means thicker, made up of granite-like rocks. They are, strong types of rocks. Okay. And the and the oceanic crust, which is thinner, made of basalt-like rocks. Uh, Now we will talk about the mantle. The thickest layer, the thickest layer located beneath the crust. It is made of semi-solid rock that can flow very slowly, like a very viscous fluid. Then we will talk about core. The Earth's center, divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core and the inner core. Outer core, liquid layer composed mainly of iron and nickel, right? Inner core, inner core, solid sphere of iron and nickel, kept solid by immense pressure. So now we will talk about the key characteristic of each layer. Key characteristics of each layer. Let's start with crust. Crust is brittle, brittle, contains rocks, minerals, and and is the and is the layer where life exists, right? When we talk about mantle, so convection currents within the mantle drive the plates. Uh, which plates? Tectonic plates. Okay, drive the tectonic plates, right? And which leading to the earth quakes and volcanic activities. Then we talk about outer core, the movement of molten iron in the outer core generates Earth's magnetic field, right? Inner core, it is extremely hot but solid due to pressure, right? So remember what is the purpose to understand the layers so that we um,
Mm,
the structure of Earth is actually a crucial, right, for understanding
mm,
geological processes like earthquakes, volcanic eruption, and the formation of mountains. Okay, so that's why we have to have the understanding of different layers, different, the structure of Earth, so that different layers have different composition. We should understand these things, right? So even
mm,
different densities, even you must have seen here convection currents. So this also happens due to the difference of densities, like rising of this is not the current that we talk about due to the flow of charges. It is actually the rising and sinking of the uh, cold and hot particles, right? So hot particles always rise and the cold particles always sink. So this is called the convection current, right? This happens due to the difference of densities, right? and difference of temperature. Okay, so which influence the different behavior and interaction in the different layers of the earth. Clear? So we have to understand the structure of earth in order to understand the processes that are associated with the geological changes and events. Okay, so geological events could be earthquake, could be volcanic eruption, could be formation of mountains. Okay, right? So this is all about of structure of earth, right? So you can complete the learner's book questions. Okay. uh so this is all about for structure of earth, right? So I have shared the pointers with you. Okay, you can complete your note taking, right? And you can complete the learner's book questions. Okay. Acha, these questions we have already done. There's nothing that is left. So inshallah, we will start the new topic, that is changes in earth. Okay. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.